Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on my Sierra Cosworth. As you can see, we're empty. That means I've caught up with the bits and bobs that I needed to catch up with, and I know loads of you have been asking and sending me messages about the Cosy, and today's the day. We're dragging the Cosy in. We've got a few bits to look at. I've got to do. I forgot it's been that long. We've got to look at the back bumper. I scored the back bumper when I was moving the Cosy. I reversed it, and on my roller shutter down here, I grazed it on this little corner bit here. I've murdered the back bumper, the freshly painted back bumper. So we've got to look at that. I've got the door mouldings to put on. The screen's been cut out. I'm booking in a smart repair guy to repair the dash where the screw holes were. I think it was like an old Moss alarm or something like that. We're going to have a look at the front seats. I was going to book a smart repair guy in to do the front seats, paint them up and what have you. They use like a special dye. One of my mates has sent me a link to where you can buy the dye, and he said you may as well do it. He said all they do is prep it and paint it, and apparently it's a piece of pea. So we'll have a look at that. I haven't got it yet, it's not here yet, but yeah, I might actually have a go and do that myself and see what we're like at reconditioning leather seats, eh? Got nothing to lose, may as well have a go. So yeah, let's go dig it out, see you in a sec. Yeah, she is. She's dusty. She needs some cleaning. She's not been out for a while. Poor old girl. I've got the battery on charge. Normally I disconnect the battery, but I forgot this time. The screen's all been cut out, so that's just resting in there at the moment, so we can take that out. Got all this over my bonnet. The other unit that I share, all bits of dust and soot fall down on it. I've still got to put my Cosworth badge and all that back on the back. There's my damage. Scuff there. It'll be alright, we'll sort it out. I've got plenty of paint left over anyway. So yeah, the seats, they're not terrible at all. A little bit of a wear mark down there and on the bolster there. And as far as I'm aware, they prep them up, sand them down a bit and paint them. The passenger seat's not bad. A little bit on the bolster again there. Just general wear marks really. But we've got that. And then he said something screwed in the dash up here. So I want them repaired and made good. We've got mouldings to put on, badges to put on, new windscreen to go in, sort the bumper out. Oh, and my roof lining, that was it. That was the whole point of cutting the screen out. There's some throttle bodies I bought, some Jimvies. So the material is okay, it's a little bit come away there, but it's the actual cardboard. So I'm going to get all these trim panels off and pull the windscreen back off, and then we'll get the roof lining out through the windscreen. I know you can do it through the boot, but you've got to fold them, bend them, and I'm just not interested in doing it and buggering it up. So pull it out, do it right, do it once, and then that's that. Excuse me. When we pull the roof lining out and the trims off the inside, I can unbolt these and have a look at this. This has been painted. It looks a bit sorry for itself. The other side is not so bad. This is kind of original looking, but I'm probably going to end up doing both of them to make them look right. But we have got a lot of the right ingredients, and in all fairness, once this car's done, it's probably all that you could want to go and buy one when I put it up for sale, to be honest. The engine's spot on, all serviced, all the cam belts sorted, you haven't got to worry about that. I've got a brand new gearbox in it, which we done ages ago. That was a spare one I had. Bodywork's mint. The interior should be pretty mint. Oh, that was it, door cards. A couple of the door cards. We've got a few marks down here. If you can see, it's a bit crappy around there. And this one was okay. It must be on the driver's side bit. I do remember I've got to find some door. There we go. Yeah, look, so it's just pulling away up here. Quite common on these, so I need that. Replace that door card. And I can't remember what the driver's one's like. No, that's okay. Apart from we've got a little bit going on there. So yeah, we'll find some door cards for it. We'll sort that out. My plan today was pull the bumper off, get the screen out, and then start having a look at this roof lining. But I've had to go out, pick up another car with Dave. We're just going to tinker with that quickly. BMW, pull some, it's got tinted rear lights and it looks awful. So just going to use my heat gun, pull that off in a minute. And the smart repair guys ring me back in a mo. So I'm going to drag the BM in, we'll have a look at these back lights, and hopefully he would have rung me by then, and I'll see you in a mo. There you go. The little 320 M Sport. It's got some god awful tint wrap on these back lights. It looks horrendous. This is one that we just picked up to sell. 143,000. Facelift model. It's actually a really nice car, drives lovely. So the reconditioned engine fitted as well with receipts, which is quite good. But yeah, a couple of little bits to sort out before he gets it up for sale. We're going to heat these up, get all this tint off of here. We'll get this done quickly. A slight change of plan. The smart repair guy's just got back to me. He's actually coming tomorrow in the morning. So I'm going to get the tint off of them lights. The video ain't panning out how we wanted it to, but when does it ever? Yeah, we're going to get the tint off of them back lights. I'm going to pull the screen out. So that's ready for him to do the dash in the morning. And it's given me a pretty decent price to refurb the front seats. So I may just pay him to do the seats, even though I bought the stuff. I'm sure I can use it elsewhere at another time. Yeah, I didn't realise he'd be able to get here that quick, so that's absolute bonus. I'll actually ask him if we can film him repairing the dash. That might be pretty cool. He don't know I do YouTube or anything. I haven't mentioned anything like that. So yeah, we're going to do that. Let's get these back lights out. We'll pull the screen out of the Cosy, and we might pull the bumper off the Cosy, and we'll go from there. See you in a mo. There we go. That's a whole lot better. It had one of them smoked gel 3D plates on it. We had to rip that off. Don't fancy getting points. And backlights look a lot better. Right. that's that took care of. Let's get back on the cosy. Right, I've got some helpers. I'm going to get this screen out so the smart preparer can access all of that, and then we can get to the roof lining. The video hasn't gone to plan, but we'll get some bits done on the cosy. And yeah, tomorrow, fingers crossed, if we can film him doing that dash as well, that'd be pretty cool. And then I can make some progress. So yeah, let's crack on. We're going to try and get this screen lifted out without marking any of the bodywork, and we'll put that to one side. See you in a sec. There we go. Didn't want to mark any of the paintwork, so it's good while we got help. So yeah, look, nice and easy. Can access that and repair them. Only we took them screws out yet. We'll take them out, and that can get that looking nice and tidy then. So yeah, don't know if it's worth pulling the back bumper off now or not. And I don't really want to get in this guy's way when he does it. Right, now I've made my mind up. If I am going to get him to do the seats, which I probably am going to get him to do them actually, I'm going to take the seats out, let him do the dash, I'll unbolt the seats, take the cosy out of here, and then let him repair the seats in here and paint them. So I'm not going to take anything else off of the cosy. So that's probably all we're going to do today. So that means that you're going to get an extra video on the cosy, and hopefully I'll be able to film him repairing the dash as well, and maybe doing the seats. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to leave it there for today. I know there's not much action been happening, but they've had quite a lot to sort out. So yeah, hopefully I'll make another video tomorrow with the progress on that lot, and then we can crack on with the roof lining, get the bumper off, and then I can start getting the bumper ready for paint. I've got to do the mouldings, badges and all the other bits. So yeah, there'll be a few more videos to come on the cosy. Yeah, that's about all I can do today. Within being sensible, we've been able to move the car about and not, you know, worry about things. So yeah, that's it. So as always, massive thanks for watching, and you'll see plenty more of the cosy very soon, and plenty more other videos very soon as well. So as always, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.